all the way.
Where are we, Jimmy?
Malaika.
Port St. Lucie. Port St. Lucie. What's good? PSL 772, St. Lucie County.
It's good stuff.
We're at Malaika. That's 658 Southwest Port St. Lucie. I was this close, Jimmy.
It was good stuff.
I was 658 Southwest Port St. Lucie Boulevard.
I'm not trying that. I'm never trying that.
Jesus, that was tough.
I, today, am trying the legume. Please take a look at my overhead top shot, Pop.
Boom. Overhead. See, we're not even pulling up no more.
Nah, it's tedious. There's a bush in front of me.
Yeah.
I don't want to hurt myself. Got a baby on the way.
Legume with Jimmy. Jonah got the turkey. Overhead, right there.
Top,
boom.
pop.
Watch it. Top to bottom, up to bottom, top.
All that good stuff.
We was in there. The food didn't take long. I'm going to say this. I'm a guy, if your restaurant comes with a buffet style setting where the food's already prepared,
yeah.
Not going to lie to you. You start at the 6. I'm going to start you at 6.
I know it's not fresh.
Okay, the food been sitting. I know, and you know, I'm not saying it's going to be good. I just got to work my way up after it goes in my mouth. Again, preparation time wasn't long. She did make the bun fresh. She went in the back. She said, I'm going to go make the bun right now. So she did. She made that fresh. Nice lady. Again, Haitian restaurants, you're not going to get the best of like, hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, welcome. It's just like, okay, hey, how you doing? I was listening to Haitian radio on my phone. What's up? What do you need? I know you want Haitian food. What do you want? They didn't have a lot of things. Didn't have tasso cabri. Don't do Dijon only on Sundays. I think that's stupid. I think all Haitian restaurants should have all 3 the main rices, Collet, Blanc, and John. Gotta have them. Let's get into it, though, huh?
Yeah, I didn't like that she didn't have some things. I didn't. I was gonna do some kebab, some oxtail. She didn't have that. I was like, yo, what's going on?
Une kia.
Yeah.
So let's see what it's all about.
I already took a bite, and
Yep. I figured. Exactly what I thought. Okay.
I don't really.
Okay.
I don't like when my legume's soupy, bro. I don't like soupy legume, bro. Like I like it to be a little.
All right. Okay. Exactly what I expected. This is what I expected. Yep. Good. What's today? Wednesday? Yeah. The turkey. It's regular turkey. It got good flavor. The presentation is nice. Okay, I like the way she set the turkey up. The G Blanc, she's right there. Hey, she's right there. That's the lady. As you can see, she came in. She doesn't even mind that we're here. This is a good thing. Kind of, maybe. I don't know. White rice, I clearly can tell it's been sitting. A little sticky for my liking. White rice is together. The sauce viande wasn't saucy. Tastes watered down. Again, the turkey's it's tender. It's good. The best thing here, and you guys know me, I'm not a bun and pizza guy. That was the best thing in here. 6'3". Good shit.
I don't like when my legume is soupy. I don't like I don't know what's what, kind of, because everything's like together. It's too. The rice is good.
Hey,
I like it.
how are you?
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, you like it?
The rice is good.
Okay.
6'3". And she doesn't know. She'll see this on the internet. I didn't want to be mean. Didn't want to be mean, Jonah.
4.9.
Jesus Christ.
Baby, you come back for the rest of the food.
I'm coming back. Good service. Very good service.
She's nice.
Very nice.
Hold that right there. It's a little heavy. You'll wait to it. Need to watch that down.
But yeah, 4.9. I'm gonna go ahead and get a call test. I'm being honest. Like, you know, good service. I like it's nice in there. It's clean. Feels good. You know.
It was very clean. Yo,
nice service.
It's a bakery too. Okay, it's not only a restaurant. They had bread. They had tablet.
Good service. And the turnaround time was fast, but I guess that's because of the buffet style.
Buffet
right?
style. You know, again, you start off buffet style. I'm starting you at 6.
You can't have legumes sitting, bro. Like,
legumes not a sit food.
I'm calling right now.
God, it's the middle of fucking heat in here. Sweating. My breasts are sweating. My back looks like a waterfall right now, guys. Malta's incredible, and it's a good one too.
Hey. Okay.
Side combo.
No. We just call it. We doing a review. We just call it to see if you pick up. That's all.
What is it?
Nous elle pour voir si après prendre téléphone non.
It's part of the review.
Yeah.
Pas de problème. All right.
N'a vin parler. Okay, merci. You can't talk too long with Haitian. They don't understand. They don't get it. No one.
But
6'3".
good seats, picked up.
6'3". Microwavable value. The new stat. The microwavable value.
Yeah.
5.
No.
I'm not microwaving this.
This is.
It ain't gonna be good.
Then that 5. You said 5. This is deemed unmicrowavable. You will not microwave this.
You can't microwave this. Yeah, because it's already been sitting. Can't sit it longer.
I'm not gonna rate it.
That's fair. Okay.
With that being said, 4.9 on my end.
6'3". I mean that's a little treacherous, Jimmy.
Man.
4.9 is absolutely bad food.
No. That's not absolutely bad.
Yeah,
food.
it is.
No,
Come on, Jimmy. 10. You going under 5?
I have to be completely honest.
That's bad food. You don't like it?
No, it's not bad food.
No one's eating at a 4.9 restaurant at a 10, Jimmy.
No. Listen, I'm being honest. I got the legume.
Mm-hmm.
That's the legume. That doesn't mean that something else isn't better. Like you said, what is that? You said, what is that?
This is turkey.
6 what?
6'3".
6'3", see? Legume 4.9.
I understand.
All right.
Okay, for the legume. Sure. Again, legumes not a food people you want to let sit. Want to have it prepared at least the day before at night, so the next day you got it going. Jesus. Okay. It's been good shit. Sweating bullets out here. 6'3", 4'9".